What's good, guys? It's your boy Polo, and you back with another video. No, we back with another. Yes. That's one she's just looking at me for no reason. Look at me, looking shy. In today's video, we're gonna be installing Mudflaps. The Mudflaps on the Polo Vivo Street, okay? And as well as lights. And we're gonna adjust my lights because all my lights is dark at night. Because wow. Yo, I'm getting old, yo. Guys, don't grow up, it's a trap. But yeah, it's me and my back problems against the world. So without further ado, let's go and patch the car and put it in the shade. See, there's the Polo Street in the distance. The car looks so low here, yo.
On the floor.
So yeah guys, as you can see in today's video, we are installing sound in my car. Yeah, gonna put all of those fancy things in my car, drop him, put a mud flap, you know, all the works. So as you can see, I've got 415s in my car. So just ignore those owens in the distance making a noise. This is what I have. Yo, this must take him time to open. Got the lights, got the matte flip, got the fog light. But now I don't have the fog light, I have the fog light cover. So that's what we installing on the car, except the fog lights. Because you don't have the fog lights, you just have the cover. So yeah, we must see how the car is gonna look. This is gonna be the last review of the car. So boring ish. Yeah, we'll see how the car's going to look afterwards. So fortunately guys, let me tell you something. We're doing the front. I did the one side already. I showed you how to do the back, but I'm gonna show properly the side. Okay, so that I just cement is a bit a flop, but yeah, and I wish I can just pop us tires. But anyways, let me just show you. So you get screws like this that are inside there. Nah. So because I'm lazy, I don't want to take the wheel off. Plus it's a whole mission to check up when you don't have a proper check. I'm using this. I have scissor check. My other check is not available right now. So yeah, take these 3 screws out. You don't necessarily have to take this one out. I took it out for more convenience. Then normally what you do is you pull the bumper guard. Oh, what is this thing called now again? I forgot. But yeah, whatever. So some guys put Mudflap like this. Some of them pull this thing back and then put it like that. It all depends on how you want it. But I struggle to put it in like this. So I'm gonna put it in the easier way, which is like this. You align the holes now. If I can just find the hole. Yeah. And then you put it start screwing in. Normally you would put washers. I don't have washers. I must go and get washers. You understand? So there it's basically it's in. Oh, just bending like this over makes my back feel like it's falling apart. Where is that? We are struggling. Now we have to take this one out to find the other hole. Yo, guys. Yo, getting a more weight in my back. Don't grow up, it's a trap. I think that should be the word of the day. Don't grow up, it's a trap. Yes, we struggle. I think there's the hole. Yeah, feels more like it. And then we put the other one in. This one is easier, you know? Yeah. Bada bing, bada boom. And that's how your mudflap is. So we did the front. I show you how to do the front. Later I show you how to do the back. The back is easier, but also at the same time, gotta take the back tire off. So let's attempt to do that. To do that. Yes. Cha-ching. This is the back mudflap. Okay, there's one hole. Then we put this one over here. We're done. Bob's your uncle, but oh yeah, sexy shit. See there, so CC banana. Even the front one is on. That mudflaps is not sitting right, but it's fine. There's small gaps. Huh? Yeah, that's the only flop that I heard of Polos. The sun must. Yeah, it's fine. As you can see, this is not OEM, this is from China. This is the guy that manufactured it, Ching Chong Cha. So yeah, also let me know in the comments, what do you think? Because this is yellow. It's a street, of course. What color should I make this? I'm thinking yellow. Can't go red because it's not a GTI and there's no red. I'm thinking yellow. You understand? So yeah, let me put my rims back on, and then we can get to putting the things inside the car, the sound and the lights and all of it. Alright guys, welcome back. We're done installing the mudflaps. Now we're gonna install the lights. The lighting system. You want to put the bright light so we can see very bright in future. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video with your man. So yes. Oh yes. So we're putting these ones inside. So the first thing that we must do is now to take the old ones out. You take your covers like this prevents water. I don't know why this one don't have one on. I'm gonna have to get one. Then we unplug. Let us just test and see if this lights work. Because I got them yesterday. I didn't even test them. Tested them at the shop, but I didn't test them in the car. Oh yes. We'll have to see if they are bright enough in the night time. Now we can do this to the owens. So yeah, this one works. Gonna put this one in, so let us take the other one outside. Hey, I don't like this movement. My head is gonna be very much in the way here, guys. I don't even think you can see anything, because this is the light of the oh, brass guy is loud. Para ping, para pum. See y'all guys, hi. Switch everything on. There's one, and there's two. So this is just driving lights, and then we have LEDs for the park lights. We're gonna still invest in brights, because the brights are still candle lights, and then we're gonna now test those, but those I'm not gonna put on camera. This is just for my eyes and my eyes only till we get the other fog lights. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and share the video. Yeah, I'm start for a few pictures and things in the sun for a montage of how the Mudflaps look, and then tonight I'll show you how the lights look. Bye. So yeah guys, this is how my lights look like. Yo, someone like bright. I must just adjust this one, because you can see from driving view. Wait, let me switch this light off. From driving view, it's a bit facing up, I think. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.